Welcome to another smart helmet accessory video from the Helmet Shop. My name is Matt, and today we will be featuring the IC-05 replacement shield for the Airflite motorcycle helmets. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure you are ordering the correct replacement shield for your helmet, show you the variety of colors and tints available, and we'll demonstrate how to properly remove and replace the IC-05 shield on your helmet model. To ensure you are ordering the correct shield, first look at the back of your helmet. You should see your helmet brand and the model name, Airflite. Etched in the top right side of your shield, you should see the model number IC-05. Our IC-05 replacement shields are made to fit and feel like the original manufacturer's parts and are available in clear, dark smoke, and silver mirror. Plus, we have recently added the Revo Gold and Revo Blue colors to our mirrored shield options. In order to remove the IC-05 shield, first, open it up halfway. On each side is a side cover that holds the shield in place. With your fingers on the front edge of the side covers, pull the side covers out and away from the helmet. Lift the shield to the full open position to release the shield from the helmet base plate. Follow this same procedure on both sides of the helmet. Practice a few times to get familiar with the mechanism. With the shield in the full up position, align the tabs with the helmet base plate. Holding both sides, rotate the shield downward partway to lock the shield to the helmet. Align the pins on the side covers with the holes in the base plate and press them into place. Do this on both sides of the helmet to finish installing your shield. Remember to periodically tighten your base plate screws. Only use warm, soapy water and a microfiber cleaning cloth when caring for your shields. Tinted shields are not for riding in low light or adverse weather conditions. Contact the Helmet Shop if you have questions concerning the IC-05 replacement shield. Thank you and have a great day.